Before I start the video, guys, I just want to let you know that I do actually have a gaming channel where all my gaming content is uploaded. The last video I uploaded was Arenas is Fun, and that's the Apex Legends game. That was uploaded at the time of this recording, anyway. But the only time I really upload to this channel is when I get the time, because I am running my tech channel, so it's kind of hard for me to do so. I also have this channel, which is Sergeant's Gaming Live. There will be a link in the description below. This is where all my live streams are going to be uploaded from Twitch. You guys can also check out the Twitch on this channel here. You guys can also check it out on my main channel. There should be a Twitch link. But I just figured I'd let you know before we start the video, and I hope you enjoy it. Hey, what is going on, guys? Sergeant Tech Tips, and in today's video we're going to be checking out this software called MiniTool Shadow Maker. So basically what this software does is it allows you to do some system backups and restore. It allows you to create a system image and enable you to restore to the previous state when there is a need. It allows you to backup sync open files. Basically what this does is it backups sync files, folders, or the open files to keep data safe. Fully supports NTFS volumes with 2 megabyte cluster sizes. It also allows you to restore to a different computer, create a system image on a normal computer, and restore it to a dissimilar hardware, which is interesting. It allows you to back up to a 2 megabyte cluster volume, which allows you to basically just keep your data safe. It also allows you to do the change backup scheme, manage hard disk space by changing the backup scheme, and then it also does automatic backup. So we're going to be checking out the software. I have this on a virtual machine currently. We're not going to do this on my main system, but we are going to be testing some of the features it has, and we're also going to be looking at the Pro version of the software. So there's actually two versions. You get 4 home users and you get 4 business users. We're going to be looking at the home version. This is the home version right here that I have in the virtual machine, and then we'll be taking a look at the Pro edition as well after we look at the free edition, because I just want to see what there is for free versions of the software. So obviously the UAC is going to pop up. Obviously you want to click yes on that. I'm going to go ahead and click install now. Saying, are you sure you want to continue? Caution, never install the software on a drive that contains any lost data. This may cause overwrite and permanent data loss. So if you are to do this, I definitely wouldn't do it on your main machine. I'd get like a secondary laptop and do all the data recovery. If you are going to install this on your main machine, just be extremely careful not to lose any of your data. Now it's going to ask if we can open something in Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. We're just going to do that and see what it brings up. Thank you for installing MiniTool Power Data Recovery. Only 3 steps. Your lost files could be recovered. Select a target volume device, scan the selected volume device, preview the saved files to a safe location. Alright guys, so once you launch the application, this is the page you're going to show up on. This is basically the main page of the software. Obviously up here you have you can click this to upgrade now and add your license key. You can make a bootable version of MiniTool Power Data Recovery, or you can get support, and then if you click here for more, it'll allow you to change the language, online help, data backup, help us translate, about, and feedback. Obviously you have your buttons to minimize it, X out of it, and make it bigger, which for some reason this you can't even, I think that's the size you get. You do this, you can collapse it, it'll kind of give you more of a in-depth. So this is going to be your PC, this is going to be the utilities it has, which is Power Data Recovery Bootable. So if you're missing an operating system or for some reason the operating system is corrupt, it'll allow you to get your data a lot easier. This will also help you recover any video files, which I know will be helpful for a lot of content creators. You also have scan settings. This will allow you to choose where you want the computer to scan, or the software to scan. So in this PC, if we were to say that we were missing something from the C folder, if we click scan, it's obviously going to start scanning. Sorry about that. So basically what's going to happen is it's just going to scan the whole system. And this type of thing can take a while, especially if you've used your computer for a very long time. Because as you can see, if I just go through it, this is the deleted stuff. These are all just files that were deleted over time. And Windows will delete and create a lot of files while you're using your system. So a lot of these files you won't even have to do with anything. But finding your deleted data might be a challenge depending on how much data you've deleted by accident or have lost by accident. But it also gives you raw files, which this will give you kind of a category of stuff that has been deleted and found. Like obviously you have here 2007 Excel documents. You have GIF files, CAB files, EVGA clips, you have ASF files, all these. This will be a lot easier for you, so if you're missing a video, you can just go here and obviously say it's an MP4 file, you can just recover it here, click on it, and boom, that's your video. And then what you can do is you can just click save, or I'm pretty sure, I think you just click select the file you would like to save. Yeah, so you just click a file that you want to save. So say we want to save this file, click save. desktop, OK. Recovery completed. So now it's going to have this lost files folder over here. You click on that, raw files, raw video files, and then you have your MP4 file. Click on that and it'll play. Which it looks like it's some Windows 11 stuff, which is creepy, but you know what they say. But this software is definitely going to be helpful for a lot of content creators, because if you accidentally deleted a raw video file you want to keep, or you just need for another video, you can easily recover it if you delete it on your system, or if you delete it on, like, say you have an editing machine. You can just make the bootable software and do it that way. Now remember, this is a free version, so you're getting all of these features for free. Like, you don't have to pay for it. The free version works just fine. There's really nothing wrong with the free version. You'd probably be okay just using the free version for now. It's probably going to ask you to upgrade here and there, but you don't have to upgrade immediately. If you're just using this to recover data files, video files, or anything else, it's super easy to do. And it's actually pretty straightforward, because obviously we have zip files. These are all recovered zip files. We have window wave files, PNG images that were recovered, all that fun stuff. Alright guys, so we're going to be taking a look at the premium version of the software, which I actually forgot the name of the software. The MiniTool Shadow Maker. We're going to be taking a look at the premium version. Now I don't actually have a key. The key's not working for whatever reason, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the trial, which should do fine to at least show you guys some of the features and stuff. So basically, here's the installer. It's going to look completely different. I went ahead and uninstalled the other version. The installation is going to be basically the same. We're just going to go ahead and click and install now. Now once you install the software, it's going to pop up with this. Apparently I get a discount. $6 a month actually ain't bad. We're going to go ahead and close that window. We do not need it. It's going to say back up your computer now, installation complete. Let's go ahead and click start now. It's automatically probably going to pop up with something about activating it, because most softwares do. Oh, look at that. I've been using, yeah. I'm just going to click keep trial for now. So right off the bat, the software is completely different. You can do backups. You have backup destination. You can choose a destination folder. Say you have a secondary hard drive, like a 1 terabyte hard drive, and you just want to do a backup till you can get a bigger hard drive. You can sync files and folders to another folder. You can restore, probably from a backup file that the software creates. Shut down computer when all the running tasks are finished. You got logs. These are all the logs. You got tools. You got Media Builder. Windows Pocket Edition based with MiniTool plugin. This option provides better compatibility with your computer's hardware. That is cool. You got add to boot menu. You can turn this into a boot menu. I'm just going to delete that. No, we don't need that. And then you get mount, dismount, clone disk, PXE, and then remote, which, oh, you have to have the computer's IP address. Okay. Interesting. So if, like, say you have multiple computers that you need to back up, you have the remote, you just need their IP address, and then you can basically control it from this system. You got PXE. I don't know what that is, so I'm not going to mess with that. Yeah, I'll do a separate video where we actually test the backup software, because I don't have a way to, I don't have anything to back it up to. If I did, I'd use it. But that's going to be it for the video. I just wanted to take a look at the premium version. This is a trial, so I'm sure it's limited here and there. But, I mean, it's a free software. You can go with the free software and you'd be fine. Or you can run the trial, do a backup, and just uninstall it, and then reinstall it when you want to do another backup. But other than that, the software is pretty good. I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can download it or buy it if you guys want. It looks like it's actually not as bad. I mean, you get $10 a month, which you get a license for 2 computers. So if you have a laptop and a desktop, you can easily back up your data, no problem. I mean, you can manually back up data by dragging the C drive into a folder on a secondary hard drive, but it's a lot easier if you do it this way, because then you're backing up important files, and it allows you to choose which files you want to back up. So there is that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.